Muhammad, peace be upon him, in his beautiful voice, started reciting the verses of Surah Fazilat. Hameen, a revelation from the most gracious, the most merciful, a book whose verses are explained in detail, a Quran in Arabic for people who know, giving glad tidings of paradise to the one who believes in the oneness of Allah and fears Allah and loves Allah, and warning for punishment in the hellfire to the away and hear not. Utbah sat stunned while Muhammad, peace be upon him, carried on reading. When the words of supplication came, Muhammad, peace be upon him, bowed down in supplication and afterwards said to Utbah, "You have heard what I had to say. It's up to you now." The Quraysh was waiting for Utbah when they saw him coming. They knew from his body language that he had not succeeded in achieving his goal. They asked him nonetheless, what had what had happened? Utpah said, "In the name of God, I have never heard anything like I heard today. It's no magic. He is not insane."